Hey guys, I'm back, and as you guys may know, I like to do 3D printing. I do some custom designs from some of these cards and certain parts and so on, so I've been waiting for a special printer for a while now. It's been about a year, and my Elegoo Orangestorm GIGA has arrived, and as you can see, it is massive. So this is just going to be a unboxing and assembly video, and then I'll give you my thoughts on the assembly after I'm done. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we got it out of the box. It is heavy as all get out, so it is recommended to use 2 people for this because my back is killing me already just from taking all this stuff out of the box. That is our XY axis there, so that goes on the top, and all our filament and everything will go through the hot end that attaches to that crossbar. We got some beams, and we got our side profiles. So technically, I guess this is going to be our Z axis, so the sides will ride up on these little brackets, which is where that'll go. So, but yeah, I got that, and we got all the rest of the pieces and parts over here. So, about to start assembly. All right. Alright guys, wanted to take a quick break to let you guys know, watch your corner brackets. I had to loosen these up to get everything squared. It was, you know, these weren't straight on this bar and likewise here. So I did have to loosen these up in all 4 corners to try to get them straight and leveling with these bars. So just a quick update there and back to assembly. Alright guys, it's fully assembled. I am about to power it on for the first time. So let's see what happens. Switch is back here in the back. So, and this thing is a massive, massive machine. It requires a 20 amp breaker or switch, and well, that's not good. So far, we're powered on, but we're getting nothing from this guy, or maybe it's just slow. Hopefully it's just slow. So let's see, just start looking around for indicators. I hear power. These don't have LEDs. All right. So I've got no indicators that were on other than the fans. And my LED is not lighting up. So, oh, fun times. All right. Time to investigate. All right, guys, we're going to try this again. So this thing has, I guess, 5 power supplies on it. There are 4 on this side. All right, so you see each one of these holes, there's 4 of them. And that's where you turn to 220 or 110. And there's one on this side. So I missed the one on this side. So let's try this again. Oh, look at that. So we're getting that. Now we're getting a green light over here. Beautiful. Man, this has been a task. Just kind of waiting to see if it powers all the way up. Whew. That's interesting. They got a nice little LED light down there. And this says E-stop switch. Oh, it's just a push button switch. Emergency stop. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. System currently booting. Uh-oh, I don't like that. Temps are reading 210, 210, 60, 60. I hope that's not the case. Oh, no. Never mind. So that's cool. Let's go to repair. See if we can just move things around a little bit is what I'm thinking. That wasn't cool. Testing the Y. Let's see. Home. Is there a home? What's this do? I'm guessing this is the home button. We'll see. Oh yeah. So, other than the initial craziness with pressing the X button, seems like things are working. Actually, could have just pressed the home all button now that I'm looking at it. So, I kind of want to stop it. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and press this emergency stop button, see if it works. Bam! It did. So I guess it's a momentary switch because it doesn't change colors. Alright, so let's just restart our firmware. That's very cool. Now, I mean, we're just doing some base testing here. So now it's really going to be about leveling the bed and doing some test prints and so on. But for the time being, I think this is where I'm going to end for the day. This has been a long time assembling this thing. But I've got to say, this thing is sturdy. I mean, I still got to level it too, but it's pretty sturdy. Now, my floor is probably not level, so I'm assuming you can thread or unthread the corners and level it out. I'm hoping that's the case. It looks like the bed is static. I don't see any adjustments here, so that's pretty cool. I love that. But yeah, this thing is badass and obviously huge. So far, all right, I restarted firmware. Let's restart Clipper now. See if I can get this back up and running. But yeah, so far so good. Yet again, we've got to level the bed. We've got to test the heaters. We've got to test the filament sensor. And I probably need to move it. So I've just got it plugged in because the cord is really short. So I didn't really like that. Especially with the way my plugs are in this room. So I'll have to do some stuff. And I need to make sure I can get it on a circuit by itself. So I need to test out the circuits in my room. You know, to see if we got 20 amp circuits or not. They say you can run it on a 15 amp, but it needs to be on a dedicated port. But this thing will draw. It'll push a 15 amp circuit. So I was hoping to put it here, and I was hoping this would be static, but I just don't know yet. So I might even have to run some electrical for this. But hell yeah, guys. Mission success, at least getting it assembled and doing some baseline testing. Alright, well, I'll be back another week to let you guys know what I find out.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change.